The vehicle showcases a broad body design with camouflaging at both ends, hinting at the possibility that it could be built on the platform and powertrain of the upcoming Ram 1500 TRX. However, somewhat disappointingly, it appears that a V8 engine is no longer residing under the hood. Buried at the bottom of the page, a brief video clip, lasting only half a minute, captures the test mule casually navigating the streets of Detroit. As the driver accelerates while making a left turn, the engine's sound becomes evident. It's worth noting that the engine doesn't sound unimpressive, but it notably lacks the deep V8 growl. In fact, the engine's audio resembles that of a twin-turbocharged straight-six BMW, which leads us to the next part of the story. Rumors have been circulating regarding the potential engine that might power the next-generation Ram 1500 TRX, and these speculations center around a six-cylinder power plant. Specifically, it could be the Hurricane engine, which currently delivers 510 horsepower, 517 PS, 380 kilowatts. This might not sound shabby, especially considering that this is a utilitarian workhorse. However, the current 1500 TRX boasts a formidable 702 horsepower, 712 PS, 524 kilowatts, from its supercharged 6.2-liter V8. This robust engine enables the TRX to accelerate to 60 mph, 97 km per hour, in a mere 4.5 seconds and complete the quarter-mile run in less than 13 seconds. Consequently, a reduction of about 200 horsepower would undoubtedly impact its performance. Hopes remain that the truck brand, under the Stellantis umbrella, will manage to extract more power from the purported straight-six power plant, possibly through partial electrification. This approach could also future-proof the supertruck and open doors to a new, environmentally conscious audience. In light of the industry's shift towards a zero-emission future, a hybridized 1500 TRX could serve as a stepping stone for a potential electric pickup with high-performance capabilities. For now, we'll have to wait and see what resides under the hood of the successor to the mighty 1500 TRX. The recent send-off of the 1500 TRX included a special edition model known as the Final Edition. True to its name, it retains the supercharged V8 in its existing configuration, maintaining its exceptional speed. Additionally, it introduces several enhancements to enhance its appeal, although it commands a substantial premium in the market. Set to be available in the fourth quarter of 2023, the Ram 1500 TRX Final Edition starts at $117,625, excluding the $1,995 destination charge, which is approximately $32,000 higher than the regular TRX model.